Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all rows below a certain row, okay, in Excel using a button. So in this tutorial, we are going to create a button here. Let's say I'm going to create a button here and I want to delete all rows from row 5 to underneath everything, okay. So our button will be here and we are going to delete everything below row 4, okay. So if we click here on our button and everything will be deleted from row 5 to the last row of this worksheet, okay. So let's get started. So to do that, we are going to click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click Insert and click Module. Now write the code. I have already written the code. If you need the code, please sign up the form and don't forget to subscribe and close. Now our code is ready. Now we are going to create a button here. To do that, click on the Insert, click on Shapes and draw your button here. Let's say this is our button and let's name it delete. Format it according to your need. So this is our button. Now let's right click here and click on assign macro and select this delete rows below and click OK. So our button is ready. Now if I click here, all the row below row 4, that means from row 5 to everything else will be deleted. If we click here, let's click it. You can see from row 5 to everything else has been deleted, even our button, okay. So remember, you will have to create the button above this line. Let's clear this. So our button should be above row 4, so you will have to create a button here or else your button will be deleted also. So in this way you can create a button and you can make sure everything is deleted below the certain row, okay. Now if we go back to our code, you can see here sheet 1. Sheet 1 is the worksheet where you have data and you want to delete, and here row 5 is the starting point of your delete rows, okay. So row 5 and everything else will be deleted. That's what it meant in this code, okay. So that's it. This is what I wanted to show you. Stay in your home and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.